Yeah, super. Okay. Now what you have to do like this. See, now what you have to do, you have to start drawing from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom. Can you do like this? Can you do a triangle like this? See, one, then two, like this. Can you do the triangle like this? I will do again for you. One and two, like this. How much big you can draw, you can draw. Did you draw that? Use your pencil. Can you show your pencil? See, can you show your triangle? Yeah, good. Yeah, Anishka is good. Very good. Maybe I stop sharing. Okay, share the whole desktop. Yeah, okay. Shall we start doing again next step? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to start, okay, from the tip. Can you see the tip? From the tip to bottom one line, straight line. Can you see this? A straight line. Okay, straight line. Yeah, I can see, Rudvi, is it easy? Yeah, okay, good. Now, yeah, what about Anuj? Can you show me? Anushka, can you show me? Anuj, show me the size. Yeah, Anuj is, no, Anuj, what about you? Can you show a little bit above? Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, Anuj is okay. Good. Now, yeah, now take a C shape. Okay, now you can see. I want to do a C. Everyone know how to draw C, right? So you have to draw C shape like this. Can you see that? C. Can you see that? Can you see that C? Yeah. Did you done the C? Yeah. Good. Anushka is good. Rudvi. Yeah. Good. No problem. Good. What about Anuj? Anuj, can you show yours? Okay, good. Now start doing with the no zigzag line. Everyone knows the zigzag line, right? You will do the zigzag line like this. See, zigzag, 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 zigzag. Okay, the same line you are going to do. Where in the teeth? Okay, see this. See this. Okay, teeth. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can you see the zigzag line? You can do sharp also. How much sharp you can do it. See, I will do very sharp now. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See, I done very sharp. This very sharp also you can do, or else small. Okay, zigzag. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can see this, right, Anuj? Yeah, good. Yeah, okay, good. Slowly you can draw. Yeah, good. Super. Anuj, can you show yours? Ah, yeah, good, very good. Anuj, I couldn't able to see the Anuj full, no, something is happening to Anuj. Very big, very big. Okay, Anuj, okay. Now you have to draw the straight line now. Okay. See, draw the curve. Can you see the curve now? Can you able to see the curve here? See, one, two, three. What is this? Why I am drawing this curve? What is this? What is that? Gills. Gills are skill. What you are saying? Skill. Okay, okay. It is called as, I think, gills. Gills. Am I right? Gills. What is used for? Why shark? What it is? What it will use for gills? It is used for Anushka. It is used for. Wow, super Ra. Hey, very good Ra. Very good. Did you love Discovery Channel, Animal Planet? Did you watch that? Did what? Ma'am, what he is saying? Did he will watch or not? voice is not audible. Hello? Yeah, Rudvi, you are so brilliant, you know. In this age, you are telling so many things very good. Super. You are very, very good boy. Yeah, Anuj is good. Anuj, can you show yours? Anuj, can you show yours? Anuj? Yeah, good. Now, next step is we have to draw like this. See, one, okay, one and two. Okay, at the top we have to draw simple like that. One, okay, two. That's it. Can you draw on the left side? Left side, it's like a triangle. Triangle. Yeah, big one. Yeah, super. Can you show me? Good, nice. Anushka is very good. And Rudvi, can you show yours? Did you draw the triangle, Rudvi and Anuj? Yeah, super. Very good, nice. Now, what is missing in this shark? Something is missing. What is that? Something is missing in the shark. What is that? What? Very good, Ra. Super, Ra. Yes, yes, yes. So, eyes, can you see this? At the end of this triangle, at this end of the triangle, I am creating one eye. Okay. At the end of this triangle, you can see the sea. Can you see the eyes? I am doing two circle. Can you see this? Two circle. One is very big and one is so small. And I am going to use one line for this is a cartoon character. So I am using the eyebrows. Yeah. Now, okay. Super. Now inside the mouth, okay, inside the mouth I am doing a waveline. Why I am doing the waveline? What is the purpose of this waveline? Tell me. What is the purpose of the waveline? Tell me. Why I am doing this waveline? Inside the mouth. Why I am doing this waveline inside the mouth? What is the importance of this waveline? Why I am doing it is the your voice you are doing talking something but I am not getting your voice clearly. I think some problem in the mic or I don't know, but Is it treat? Teeth. Teeth already we draw. The sharp one, no? The sharp one is the teeth. What is the, why this waveline? Let's see. What is that? Very good. Super. Anuj, did you draw? Show me. Okay. So we finish our shark. Can we draw the another small fish? Yeah, good. We are going to draw another small fish. It's very simple. Put two oval. See, one oval and one rectangle. That's it. Okay. We will draw one oval. Here one oval. We will draw. Okay. One oval here. Okay. Here one oval and here one oval. Okay. And one triangle. That's it. See here. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Can you see that oval? And also two circle. That's it. One circle and two circle. Okay. And one circle here and two circle. Okay. And small mouth also we can give. Small mouth. Here small mouth also we can give. That's it. And a small circle. Okay. What is this small circle? What is the use of this small circle? This circle outside the fish. What is the use of this small circle? Yeah, bubbles. Very good. Super. Very good. You love shark, You love fish? Anuj, did you love fish? Did you love shark? You like? Yeah, good. Did you saw the shark, did you saw the shark in any cartoon? Any cartoon? Any cartoon character? Any shark? Movie. Tom and Jerry. Did you see the Tom and Jerry? Tom and Jerry. Some episode you will see shark. Did you? Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. There you will see some shark in episode. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll draw another. Okay. Yeah, see, just listen what I am going to do. Okay, just listen what I am going to do. Okay, after that you are going to color it. Okay, just listen what I am going to do. No need to color anyone. Just listen what color I am applying. Okay, then you color according to me. Just. Don't draw any color now. Just see what color I am using. That's it. Okay. See wherever which color I am using. Just listen. Is it nice? Is it nice? Okay, shall we start doing? See, this color only we are going to do it now. Shall we do coloring? Take a dark blue. Take a dark blue of your color pencil. Dark blue or this color pencil. Can you see this color? Can you take dark blue or this color I want? Yeah, shall I do coloring? Okay. What you have to do simply, okay, take your color pencil, do, okay, simply left, right, okay. This is what you have to do, okay. Always do left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Can you do coloring left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right? Can you see this? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And see the edge also, okay, edge also properly. You should not go, see, outside the edge you should not go, okay. Always listen, outside the edge you should not go any color, okay. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, like that. We have to follow any one strategy, either up and down, or left, right, left, right. I mostly use left, right only, okay, because that is very easy. Yeah, did you finish? Just we have only 10 minutes, okay. Maybe tomorrow we will draw the robot, okay. Today we will finish up this. Yes, pa, yes, pa. Today we don't have time, no, within. Okay. Okay, okay. At least we have to finish this, I will share that image, okay. Colored image, I will share it in the group, okay. At least you have to finish the shark. Super, super. No white space. Remember, No white space. Slowly draw. Please don't draw hurry burry. Okay. Slowly. Very good draw. Super draw. Okay. Okay. Yeah, teeth. Yeah, teeth is white, so we have to leave. We should. We don't want to put any color on the teeth. But tongue should be red color, and above it should be black color. See, can you see this color? Can you see this? Can you see the screen now? See here. See the screen where the black is and where the red is. Okay. Anuj, see here. Where the black, where the red. You please see that. See that and draw. Yeah. What about Arshita? See, Arshita and Anushka? See, I will draw very slow. Yeah. Yeah. I will clear that now. Hmm. You have to put the black color, okay, in between the white. Can you see this? Yeah, inside we have to draw eye black only. Okay, then we have. I have only 3 minutes more. Okay, did you finish the shark? Uh, Rudvi, did you finish? Anushka, did you finish? Within 2 minutes, it's going to finish. Super. Now try to put the color for the small fish. Yeah, within 2 minutes, it's going to finish this. Okay, try to submit it. Okay, after finishing the class, you try to submit in the group. Very good. Did you draw the ocean? Yeah, draw that. Still we have less than 1 minute. Okay, I will share the colored image in the group. You please check the group and you please using the color pencil you draw the colors. Okay, that's it. You got it, Anuj, and you got it, Ansika. You got it, Rudvi. Rudvi, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt?